Alright, what's up guys, we're back to the channel. This is day 11 of the daily upload. So listen, what we're doing today, we're going to be detailing the car. We're also going to be doing a semi-truck video, possibly. We're going to do a Rango, possibly. Getting everything set up. Pulling the clutch out of Rango. We're probably going to set up for the rear leaf springs. Probably I'll bring over there, outside of the house over there. We're going to be detailing that car right there, which I picked up that job from a friend. And he wanted his car detailed, so a little extra money for me to go to this race, you know. Gotta make it the money somehow. Still some tires too for $100, so they're out of the house too. Yeah, so let's go get to work on that stuff. We'll talk a little more when we get out there, and you know, we'll discuss more what's going on. All right guys, here's the car right here. So let's see, let's take a look on the inside. The inside is in pretty damn good shape. It just needs to be touched up a lot. You know, just a few spots are dirty here and there, but and overall, it's definitely could be in a much worse condition. The worst thing is just the seats back here. I have a couple stains in the back. You know, passengers the way they are sometimes. So that's gonna be the hardest thing back here. So we're gonna shampoo everything, shampoo the carpets and everything. Try to get all this stain out of here, hopefully. And yeah, that's just a basic detail on the interior, and we're gonna do a basic detail on the outside with some waxing. So let's get to work, get this car done, and I can be on my way with that stuff back there again. All right guys, so it's got the car all cleaned up now. It is definitely a transformation, 100%, but she looks pretty damn good right now. Got almost 90%, 95% of all the stuff out. The stains on the seats, I'll say they're pretty much 98% gone. Definitely, I can almost say 100% gone from like at least the brown stains and stuff. But yeah, she looks good in here. Looks good, looks clean. She looks good. There's the front. So got all that done here now. So I'm gonna just finish cleaning up, figure out what's going on, and pretty much hopefully go work on the semi or get Rango put like right here onto the hard top so I can do the leaf spring. So we'll see what happens, see what I got going on right now. So before the GoPro rudely decided to die on me, I was saying we may just move Rango over to there just so we can work on her and, you know, have her whole back end accessible to us and being able to, you know, work on the back end. Might have to move Frank over that way a little bit. That's really all I have to do. I'll probably put the garbage cans right here behind my car because it's probably the best spot for these guys to go. Move Frank over and we can drive the truck right through here up to there and then back it right up. That would probably work the best. Sorry, Frank. All right, let's get this girl a cold start. All right, that's moved out of the way. That's enough room for Rango to get through here. All right, let's get this stuff all uncovered here, and then we'll finagle around the house, around the freaking yard. Alright guys, so listen, ran out of time today, like I said, sadly, I said I gotta work and it's kind of like, you know, well today I got kind of stuck with detailing that my friend's car because I could use the money, so, you know, for Danger Ranger stuff, so, you know, I kind of had to do that, and then by the time I got done, I had to cook some dinner, you know, just because I didn't, you know, I don't want to eat at 9 o'clock at night, which I don't mind, but, you know, eating at 9 o'clock at night every night, it's not always fun, so I had to cook that up, got that done, and then that's when my friend came out. We moved the Danger Ranger truck, so we moved that up. I got that at least all set up, thankfully, and then, so tomorrow, that's the kind of plan. We're going to go tackle the leaf springs on that. Semi-truck, hopefully the engines are going to come tomorrow or Monday, hoping. I have no idea what's happening with that right now. Other than that, listen, I say, tomorrow, hopefully better day, we'll get more progress done. So listen, leave a like on the video if you guys enjoy the videos. Comment down below like one of your biggest regrets. You know, we all have regrets, you know, but the key thing is to learn from them and continue on and push forward and not get stuck on them. So what's your biggest regret? Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let them get in your way. I'll see you guys next one.